Welcome to this video, in which you will learn how to use the Loco Translate plugin to translate the WooCommerce MailChimp newsletter discount extended plugins pop-up texts. Ensure that the Loco Translate and WooCommerce MailChimp newsletter discount extended plugins have been installed and activated. To begin, navigate to the Loco Translate plugins settings page. But first, please subscribe to the Zatomatic channel and click the bell icon to never miss any future videos. Then, at the bottom of the page, click the See All Plugins button. Then, search for the WooCommerce MailChimp Newsletter Discount Extended plugin. When you find it, click on it. Then click the New Language button. Select the language into which you want to translate the plugin. Then click Start Translating button. As you can see, all of the texts from the WooCommerce MailChimp Newsletter Discount Extended plugin are now visible here. Now, look for the text from the plugin that you want to translate. If necessary, you can use any translation tool. After you've finished translating, copy the text and paste it into the other language field in Loco Translate. Save your changes, then look for other plugin texts to translate and repeat the process. After you've translated all of the plugin texts you'd like to use, we'll put it to the test by changing the language of the website. Now we'll put the translated pop-up texts to the test on the website. And, as you can see, the first name, last name, and email text have all been translated into Italian. Similarly, you can use the Loco Translate plugin to translate other plugin texts. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. Thank you for your time.